Hello everyone, welcome back to Sujit Analytics. This is a continuation of Power BI tutorials for beginners. In this tutorial, let's see some transformations with Power Query. In the previous tutorial, we have seen how to clean the data using Power Query. I recommend you to watch the tutorial and come to this tutorial. So, this is the Power Query editor. When we choose transform data, it will open Power Query. So, your Power Query is nothing but a ETL tool or a technology. It performs extraction, transformation, and loading. It can connect to different sources like CSV files, Excel files, databases, cloud databases, and perform data cleaning, transformations like handling the missing values, removing the duplicates, performing appending, merging. All these transformations are done using Power Query. Then it loads into the Power BI desktop for analysis. So now we loaded into Power Query. So first, let's check any duplicates values are present in this table. For that, go to Home tab. Here, choose Remove Rows, remove duplicates. Duplicates will be removed. Next, in the sale amount column, this for some product, science fiction, the sale amount is null. The sale amount would not be null. It should be something, a value, a numeric value. So I'm going to transform tab. I'm choosing replace values as with a zero. Instead of right clicking on the column, I'm directly choosing this feature, replace values. Now the value is replaced with zero. So this is the transform tab. The transformation is nothing but we are transforming the data according to our requirement. And here order date. The order date is also missing. So for that, we can use replace values as NA or not available. Replace null with not available. Or let's see, okay, it is time series data. We can replace with the fill. We can use fill up or fill down. I'm choosing fill down. When we use fill down, it fills the value from this previous row. In this previous row, the date is 4/10/2023. So the same value is replaced here. We can use fill up and fill down when we are working with the time series data. And using this feature reject data type, we can detect the data type and rename. We can rename the columns. And next, now the customer's name. In this customer name, it is a combination of first name and last name. Now I want to split the first name and last name. I want separate columns for first name and last name. For that, we can use here split column. So split column creates separate elements of a column into multiple columns. I want split. So I want split by delimiter. So when we see here in this customer name, there is a space between the first name and last name. So yeah, the space is the delimiter. So I'm choosing the delimiter. Leftmost, I'm splitting it leftmost delimiter. Click on OK. Now the name is split into first name and last name. Now we are able to see here split column by delimiter. Now let's cancel this step. Let's split the column by right clicking on this column, split column, split delimiter. So we can split like this also. We can use directly the feature here, or we can right click on the column, choose a split column and the delimiter. So this is a customer name one, customer name two. So I want to replace with the Here we can use rename. The first name. This is the last name. This is splitting. Now split the next format. So we can format the data according to our requirement. Suppose uh, I want all the first names should be capitalized. I want all the first names of the people or the customers to be capitalized. So I want to use uppercase. If I want the lowercase, we can choose lowercase. So I'm now choosing in capitalize each one. So it is okay. And you can also find the statistics of a column. You can count values. So the count is 19. Number of rows are 19. You can also count. Go to transform tab. Here statistics. Count values, count distinct values. You can also count duplicate values and also distinct values. You can also change the data type of a column to date. You can parse, you can extract year, month, day, quarter. So we start a date, click on this, go to date. I want year. If I want year, choose year. It will create a separate, it will extract the year part. So it will apply it on the original column. If I want only year, you can choose year. Suppose if I want only month, choose month. Will extract only month. This is about transform tab. When it's coming to add column is like adding new columns based on the existing columns. Suppose we can add conditional column, index column. Suppose I want to create an index column from 0 to a specific number. So from I can add from 1 to index. Index column from 1. It will add index column from 1 to the last row. So the last row is 90th row. So the index position is 90. If I want to add an index number, it is used when in some scenarios we don't have any unique identifier for each row. In that case, we use this index as a surrogate key or a unique identifier. This index. We can also duplicate the columns. Suppose I want to duplicate a category. It will create a copy. Now original column is product category. The copy is product category copy. Remove now. So the difference between add column and transform column is applicable on the original column. But when you use add column, it creates a new column. That is the difference. The same way we can perform formatting, uppercase, lowercase, but this creates a new column. Suppose I'm formatting this uppercase, so it will create a new column. But if we use transform column, it won't create a new column. It will applicable on the original column. The same way we can extract characters. Suppose from the customer name, or suppose in this payment type column, I want to extract the first three characters. I want to extract the first three characters. Length. Give the length of the column, and length of each character, each row. So delivered as 11 characters. Pending fix six characters. Let's give the length of the text. If we want to extract first characters, choose first characters. I want first three characters. Now it will extract first three characters from each transaction ID. This is about extract. This pass is used to pass the XML and JSON. So coming to here date, you can extract date here. You can extract here. So we'll extract here. The original column is remains same. Order date. Now here is extracted. You can also extract month. You can also extract quarter, day. So we extracted year, month, quarter from the order date. So this is about add column. So when we want to create new columns, go for add column. When you want to perform transformations on the original column, go for transform. This is about transformations. We hope you understand. If you believe you learned something today, don't forget to give a like and share it with your friends who are learning SQL. Sorry, Power BI. That's all. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next tutorial.